Welcome back. I'm Ian Murray and we're now looking at the Sensors and Devices section of the course, or things as we would rather call them. So you may be wondering, we were talking about the Internet of Things. What is a thing? Well, this is a thing. This is a sensor. It's a sensor that reads something about the environment. We can read many things. We can read gas level, CO2, humidity, temperature, lots of different items. This is also a thing. It's a speaker. It's something that has an output. So if you look at them together, we have a sensor, which is an input, and an actuator, which is an output. In this case, a speaker, or it could be a motor, or it could be a relay or something else that performs an action. They need to be connected to a computer. And generally we use very small computers like this one. This is a microcontroller. And this is a device that reads the input from the sensor and can output some action to the actuator. So if we look at our microcontroller, our input sensor and our actuator, and we put these together, that is a thing. And this is the thing that we connect to the internet. Of particular interest, this is a really small thing, but you can also have very large things. If you look at the case study later on of the engineering pavilion at Curtin University, that is a thing on the internet. So an Internet of Things thing. But that is not small. It's a 3-story building. So we tend to talk about devices and things. These terms can be used somewhat interchangeably. A thing, as we've mentioned, is a sensor or an actuator connected to a small computer that reads something about the environment or acts on an element within that environment. A device, we tend to, and this is not always true, but we tend to talk about this sort of thing as a device. It's something that has other uses, is intelligent, but it contains sensors, it contains the communication methods that we need for the Internet of Things, but it serves other purposes, so it becomes a device. So we've had a chat about the devices and things that we'll be examining in this course. So let's go in and we'll explore a few of the different types of sensors that are available to us.